In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add context to a workflow with a form on a HubSpot page in Hubspot. We're going to use the built-in forms automation, which is the easiest way to connect a form directly to a simple workflow. This is perfect if you want something like an automatic follow-up email, a task for your team, or a quick property update every time someone submits your form. First, in your HubSpot account, go to the main navigation at the top and hover over Marketing, then click on Forms. This is where all of your existing forms live. Find the form you want to use. You can either hover over an existing form and click Edit, or, if you don't have one yet, create a new form and set it up the way you like. Make sure the fields you need, like name and email, are already in place before you move on to automation. Once you're in the form editor, look near the top of the screen and click on the Automations tab. This tab is dedicated to what happens after someone submits your form, so this is where we'll connect the form to a simple workflow. On the Automations tab, HubSpot will give you a couple of quick start options. You can select Create Your Own Simple Workflow if you want full control over what happens, or choose Send an Email after form submission if your main goal is just to send a follow-up email. Either option ties the workflow directly to this form, so any contact who submits it will be enrolled automatically. After you've chosen how you want to start, you'll see a visual layout where you can add actions. Click the plus icon to add your first action. Here, you can set things like sending a follow-up email with more information, creating a task for your sales or support team to reach out, or updating a contact property so your database stays organized. Take a moment to think through what should happen immediately after someone fills out your form, and add the actions in the order that makes sense for your process. When you're happy with your workflow, look to the top right of the screen. You'll see a toggle to turn the workflow on. Switch it to the on position, and then click Save. Turning it on is crucial. Otherwise, your contacts won't actually be enrolled when they submit the form. Now, every time someone fills out that form on your HubSpot page, they'll automatically be added to the workflow you just created.